sometimes you got to use the camera that you've got just to get what you got to say out in time to get the video out. So phone camera it is. Today's video is brought to you by Ambassador Stories. Thank you so much. Thank you for hiring me. Thank you for the pizza. Thank you for hanging out. And thank you for the project drive that you sent me, which I'm editing this video on right now. Thank you so much for your support, and I will definitely take you up on your offer as soon as the move is done and I have a little more time to sort of think in one place. So yeah, thanks a lot, Ambassador Stories, helping people who have ideas tell their stories. Gotta tell mine too, don't I? It is obvious what I said was my opinion. Obviously everyone's situations are different. Obviously not everyone's going to experience time in Japan the same way I do, because not everyone is me. By and large, most of the people in the comments figure that one out. And the people who did choose that as their starting point to rage, we're gonna rage no matter what, because it's the internet.